In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a blurry display, fonts, or wallpaper in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, a blurry display, fuzzy fonts, or a pixelated wallpaper is usually caused by incorrect display scaling, disabled font smoothing filters, or compressed file paths. And you can sharpen your entire visual workspace in under 60 seconds using native system fixes. So what you want to do is match your native resolution and scaling. If your display scaling doesn't perfectly match your monitor's physical pixel grid, everything on your screen will render with a fuzzy, soft edge. So right click in an empty space and then go ahead and select display settings. Scroll down to the scale and layout section grid, which is going to be right here. And then what we want to do is click the display resolution drop down, ensure it's set to the recommended. It should be recommended and not anything else. And what you could also do is run the clear type text tuner. So what we're going to do, press the keyboard start or window key, or just go over to search right here and then type in clear type where it says adjust clear type text. Go ahead and click on it and ensure the checkbox next to turn on clear type is toggled on right there, and then click next. A wizard tool will give you 5 distinct sample text boxes, so click on the one that looks the sharpest to your eyes in each step, and then just go ahead and click finish. So you can tune all monitors or just the monitor that you select. So press next. It's gonna set it to the native resolution and everything. And yeah, if you also want to fix a compressed blurry wallpaper background, what you can do is don't apply web wallpapers directly from your web browser. All you want to do is open up your your web browser or source directory at the highest possible version and then change it from there. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.